Swampling Man.
A lone crusader fighting for truth, justice, and the right to hurl in public places. I'm just going to see the boss, okay?
No problem, Phil. See you later.
I just had to take that thing off to save face.
I will peel the slugs, whilst you can make the swamp.
Ahem. Did anyone order a sorcerogram?
Oh, friend! I'm so pleased to see you here. You're my bestest friend in the whole world.
I am? But I threw up all over your floor.
You're still my bestest friend ever.
But I insulted you. And your stew.
Don't matter now. You come all this way to see me.
That's the kind of guy I am.
You made me the happiest swampling in the whole world ever.
Ah, it's a Kodak moment.
This is a very special time. Better than birthday. Better than Swamp Thanks Day. Make special treats, Swampling Stew, to celebrate.
I never played the first game. What's Swamp Stew?
A deliciously nutritiony stew, which only Swampling knows ingredients.